Hello my friends, welcome to my video. In this video today I want to practice English to improve my English about my pronunciation. Okay, let's start. Consonant sound. J, j. Cheap, cheap. This watch is very cheap. This watch is very cheap. Check out, check out. Please check out at the counter. Chop, chop, chop. I chop the carrots into small pieces. Purchase, purchase. Please purchase tickets in advance. Voucher, voucher. I will pay with a gift voucher. I will pay with a gift voucher. The next one. J, j, j. Changer, changer. Here's money. Keep the changer. Jam, jam. Mango jam is very delicious. Ginger, ginger. I want to buy 1 kilogram of ginger. Large, large, large. You have large watermelon. You have large watermelon. Jug, jug. Please give me a jug of water. Gym, gym. I go to the gym twice a week. I go to the gym twice a week. Next. Pick up, pick up. I just pick up a bargain. I just pick up a bargain. Cut back, cut back, cut back. He must cut back his budget. Make. She made an order online. Stock, stock, stock. This product is our stock. Supermarket, supermarket, supermarket. I often go to the supermarket to buy food. I often go to the supermarket to buy food. Cup, cup. I'd like a cup of coffee. I'd like a cup of coffee. Good, good. Guarantee, guarantee. Does it have a guarantee? Guest, guest. I have 3 guests today. Goose, goose. I bought a lot of expensive goose. Grocery, grocery. I go to the grocery store to buy food. I go to the grocery store to buy food. Garlic, garlic. A clove of garlic. Give, give. Can you give me your credit card? Can you give me your credit card? That's all. Thank you for watching.